Good morning everyone, this is Jack back again, and today I've got one pair of headphones on. Only one. Now I've figured out, I don't know why I didn't try it before, but if I plug the USB into my computer, not into my Xbox, I can get microphone sounds into the computer, game sounds from the Xbox. Now, how fucking smart is that? Okay, it's not smart, because I'm guessing pretty much anyone knew that. But I didn't know that. But now I do know that. So, we have one pair of headphones from now on. We're on part 2 of the Call of Duty grind for the day. Just to see what happens. I've got a prestige today or tomorrow. It just depends how much patience I've got. But here we are. We're gonna give it a good old attempt and just hope something happens, because it's actually quite boring at the moment. I mean, look at it. There's not even 5,000 people playing today, so it's gonna be more. It's gonna have to be more team deathmatch. So, I hope this isn't boring you guys too much. I'm trying to make the videos interesting, but when your team plays like they're thumbless retards, what can you really do? Anyway, hope you guys enjoy it. New video will be out at 10 o'clock every morning in the UK. All of you Americans will be sleeping, so don't even worry about that. It'll be there for you when you wake up. And yeah, so that's about it really, guys. Leave a comment, like the shit out of this video, or do something. I don't know. It just is. I don't know, it just is. I need a new webcam though. What am I supposed to be doing? Oh, it's recording now, isn't it? Oh no, I need a new webcam. This webcam's shit. Oh, freight. Give me freight. Give me freight with the FAD. What's his kill death ratio? Oh, only a 1. 1.8. Doesn't even matter. No one even cares. Just gonna text until the game starts. It is my tradition. Isn't it Harry? Who's sitting over there? Oh, giving me the finger. Thank you. Thank you very much. Shut up. What the...
Was it on the floor?
I don't know. Why was it on the floor?
Because you threw it there.
Nah. Nah. Fuck off. Steady aim, dead silence. Steady aim, dead silence, scavenger and focus. And they are my score streaks. Fucking own now, brah.
Time to work, soldiers.
Oh, he's ran through me. I don't even know what his name is. Enemies in the open. Thanks for your useless call out. Long shot. Healing. Nope, you got... Ah. Damn.
We're in the lead.
Sucks when I don't even know where I'm running to now. I'm actually starting to find playing pubs is actually harder than competitive at the moment. Oh, I miss him completely. I don't even know how I killed that guy. Oh no, he came from behind me. Our fucking team is full of people in that building and came behind me. Out my way. You're all a fucking disgrace. Oh my god, you're up there. Oh, this game's not going on YouTube. My shot's off. What? Shut up, Harry. I don't even think I've ever seen you go positive on the Xbox One. Like once, maybe. That, everyone, is supposed to be my teammate. Isn't he brilliant? What? I'm not dead? But that was a triple. Let's get turned up right about now. We're on a 4 kill streak. It's getting good. 5. And we died on a 6 because I ran out of ammo spraying the living bejeebers out of that guy. I shot enough bullets that it would have been impossible not to have killed him. But that could have been at least an 8 if I actually knew what I was doing. Fuck. It's my nose, or the bit underneath my nose. Oh my god. Why are 2 of you spawning there? I don't like this route that I'm running. Not a good route. Shit. That wasn't even a bad guy, that was a dead body that I saw. Shit. Kill him. Which way am I going to run to? Oh, you've given yourself away here. No, you haven't. Where the fuck are you?
SATCOM uplink enabled.
Yeah, please be helpful, SATCOM. Right. Run back up to the top of here. I can't even hear anyone. Shit. Oh, 2 shots on that guy. 18 for 6, we're turning this one around a little bit. Maybe this is going to go on YouTube. I know there's someone right around here. I know it, but I just can't see him. No! How did he get the first shot on me? Fucking wasted by that guy. 19-7. Actually, don't forget it's not going on YouTube because I'm gonna get fucking shot up the ass. Brilliant, thank you. Fucking brilliant, and thank you again. Why can you not just die when I shoot you? $21 for 9. Actually, they probably will put that up because there's some good kills in there. So that's game, guys, and we'll see you next time. There'll be more than one video out today because that was a shit game. So yeah, see you guys later.